Freelance Python developer. Is Python good for freelancing? A freelance Python developer is a self-employed professional who specializes in creating software solutions using the Python programming language on a project-by-project basis. These developers typically work independently or as part of a small team, offering their services to clients who require custom software development, automation scripts, data analysis tools, web applications, or other Python-based solutions. Here's a detailed breakdown of what it means to be a freelance Python developer. 1. Expertise in Python. A freelance Python developer has a deep understanding of the Python programming language, including its syntax, data structures, control flow, functions, and libraries. They are proficient in writing clean, efficient, and maintainable code using Python and are familiar with best practices and coding standards. 2. Versatility in Python ecosystem. Freelance Python developers are familiar with a wide range of Python libraries, frameworks, and tools that can be used to solve different types of problems and build various types of applications. This includes libraries for web development, example Django, Flask, data analysis, example Pandas, NumPy, machine learning, example TensorFlow, scikit-learn, automation, example Selenium, Beautiful Soup, and more. 3. Client communication and project management. As freelancers, Python developers are responsible for communicating with clients, understanding their requirements, and managing projects from start to finish. This involves gathering project specifications, providing estimates, setting milestones, delivering progress updates, and ensuring client satisfaction throughout the development process. 4. Problem-solving skills. Freelance Python developers are skilled problem solvers who can analyze complex problems, break them down into manageable tasks, and develop effective solutions using Python. They are adept at debugging code, troubleshooting issues, and finding creative ways to overcome technical challenges. 5. Portfolio and reputation. A freelance Python developer builds their reputation through their portfolio of past projects, client testimonials, and contributions to the Python community. They may showcase their work on their personal website, GitHub profile, or professional networking sites like LinkedIn. Positive feedback from satisfied clients and successful project deliveries are essential for building trust and attracting new clients. 6. Time management and flexibility. Freelance Python developers must manage their time effectively to balance multiple projects, meet deadlines, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. They have the flexibility to choose their own hours and work environment, allowing them to tailor their schedule to their preferences and lifestyle. 7. Continuous learning and improvement. Technology is constantly evolving, and freelance Python developers must stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and techniques in Python development. They invest time in learning new libraries, exploring emerging technologies, attending conferences, participating in online communities, and honing their skills to stay competitive in the marketplace. Overall, freelance Python developers offer valuable expertise and services to clients seeking custom software solutions, automation scripts, data analysis tools, and more. They leverage their skills, experience, and passion for Python programming to deliver high-quality, cost-effective solutions that meet the unique needs of their clients.